Yes. Curious ako about the music video. Saan na-shoot siya and bakit yun yung yung parang solo, freedom, ganun yung vibes na nakukuha.
Yes. Actually, hindi po siya buong music video. It's just a visualizer.
Visualizer.
Lang po talaga para makita ng mga tao kung ano ba yung overall mood ng song. So, as you can see, may presentation talaga.
As you can see.
So, as you can see, nasa field of grass. Yun. So, we shot this one in Tagaytay. And originally talagang, we were after sunset. So, nag-schedule kami ng shoot like from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Para may preparation and stuff ganyan. So, we were expecting sunset, the brightness and everything. Pero it turned out na, oh my gosh, siguro mga 4 p.m. it started to rain. It started to rain talaga. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, matutuloy ko ba? Hindi ko na alam ko, paano ba natin or something like that. Because I think may upcoming na bagyo. Tapos, so sabi ko, sige, itry natin na pag nagtumigil yung ulan, itry natin mag-shoot pa rin sa labas. And then, yung parang yung expectation namin doon sa shoot, nag-turn out siya into a different kind of vibe and the mood. Parang, as you can see, talagang may fog.
Yeah, may fog.
Doon sa visuals and everything. There was like one part at the very beginning of the visuals na medyo yung Ryan, medyo sunny, ganyan, maaraw, gano'n. So, nandun ako sa tuktok, tapos may may konting araw pa. Pero nung nag-start ng umulan, medyo sabi ko, shucks, kailangan na natin mag-backup. And then nung nakita namin yung outcome ng photos and ng videos, sabi ko parang, wow, siguro ito talaga yung binigay sa atin ni Lord ng weather, no? Kasi parang mas bagay talaga
actually,
siya. The mood and everything. Kasi yung simula, it's such a, uplifting and a positive song. But it also reminds us na it's okay to be lost sometimes, And I think yun yung symbol ng fog It's parang, di ba, pag foggy tayo, blurry yung vision natin, hindi natin makikita yung kung ano yung tamang daan, di ba? And parang, para sa akin, medyo nagkaroon ng contrast doon sa visuals. That's why I don't know, it's just nice.
Will we see this in the future album or EP? Are you planning on putting out
Yes,
something?
I'm planning to. Actually, nagko-collect po ako ng mga materials.
Okay.
I've been, really working on it. I'm talking to different, producers then. So, yeah. Depende kung saan ito ulit pupunta at depende na sa schedule ko. Because medyo nagiging busy din po ako nowadays and talagang as much as possible, I want to, make seeing it yung mga kung doon sa mga remaining time ko talagang gusto ko na I'm working on my music talaga. And this is like my number one focus right now.